How are coarse crackles produced? Coarse crackles are produced by passage of boluses of air through an intermittently obstructed airway, usually with thick viscid mucus. The passage of each bolus of air leads to sudden equalization of pressures on either side of the occluded part of the airway. This in turn produces an explosive sound, which is the coarse crackle. They are usually early inspiratory, such as seen in bronchitis, but can be pan-inspiratory in some conditions, like alveolar stage of acute pulmonary edema and bronchiectasis.